Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm your essential drummer, Todd Blackman, the essential drummer. That's right. So this is going to be a quick lesson and all that, and I'm basically talking about how to have faster fingers. So this is basically a story of, well, this is another video too, of how I broke my hand and how it was quite beneficial for me, and I recommend for drummers to break their favorite hands. Not really, but get to the point is that you use your left hand most of the time, or the non-dominant hand most of the time. So I'll post a video later, but in the meantime, so right now I sprained my hand, so I have to have a splint. But the main purpose of the splints for me as an educator and all that is for faster fingers. So some people know Jojo Mayer and all that. So he has this like advanced secret weapons for the modern drummer, and so in his DVD he talks about like fingers and using the pinky and basically a finger technique. So if you really want to work on your finger technique, you might have issues. So one of the issues is that you have an issue with like not moving your wrist. You don't want to move your wrist, you want to just use your fingers. So that was my issue. So I'm glad I broke my hands, but right now it's sprained. But right now the purpose of a splint, I recommend y'all get a splint and do this exercise. So basically what you're going to do is like just do those exercises that Jojo Mayer does. And so you just play around with the stick and all that. And so yeah, pretty much that. If you want faster fingers, you just work on these like finger exercises and all that. So one of them is like doing that. You can do this and anything you can think of. Just getting in control of your fingers. So because fingers are pretty much a key thing for our drumming. So I recommend getting a splint. So if you want faster fingers, it eliminates motion from the wrist. So if you try to move it, you can't move it. Right now it's immobile. So I recommend getting the splints if you can. I'm pretty sure you can. And so yeah, so that's what I recommend. So great finger exercises for if you want to work on the other hand. Now if you want to do the other hands, that'll be a little tricky. So if it's mainly for like your hand that you want to use, but if you want to use the other hand, try to find a splint for the other hand. And so yeah, that's my quick drum lesson for today. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and in the meantime, have a good day, guys.